Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to work out another example involving the difference of derivative property. So the difference of derivative property states that if you have an expression which is the difference of two terms or two functions, then the derivative of this particular expression or function is going to be the derivative of the first term minus the derivative of the second term. So if we look at this expression right here, we have the derivative of 5x cubed minus 12x to the 6. If we want to take the derivative of this expression or this function, which is the difference of two terms or two functions, which are 5x cubed minus 12x to the 6, we basically take the derivative of each term independently and take the difference of these two terms. So I'm going to go ahead and write it down like that in this property form. So we have d over dx of 5x to the third power, 5x cubed, minus d over dx of 12x to the 6th power. Okay, so I separated the terms inside this expression independently. I wrote them independently as a derivative of each term and took the difference of those two terms. Now let's go ahead and simplify this further. I'm going to take out this 5 from the derivative because it's constant and it's multiplying. And I'm going to write it as this derivative of the x cubed minus, I'm going to take 12 out from this term. I'm going to write it as a multiplier or coefficient, and derivative of the x to the 6. Now we can go ahead and apply the the power rule of the derivative here and take the derivative of these two terms using that property. So we have 5 times this x to the 3. I'm going to bring 3 as a coefficient, and then x to the 3 minus 1 minus 12 times, I'm going to bring this 6 here as a coefficient or multiplier, and then x to the 6 minus 1. So we are subtracting 1 from the exponent when we're taking the derivative and bringing the original exponent as a multiplier or coefficient in front. So here we have 5 times 3 is 15 times x to the 2 when we subtract 1 from 3 minus 12 times 6 is 72, and then x to the 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have 15x squared minus 72x to the 5 is our final answer.